activity in order to affect change in the electoral arena?
Then, very, very fast, esto. If I was Spanish, Pablo, I would vote you. You are great. I'm Catalan. I have a nation. I also... No, bueno, a ver, escúchame un momento. Encantada de hablar contigo también. So, you support... We are the same, actually, because you have a dream. I have a dream. You support the Palestinian state. I support the Palestinian state and the Israeli too. In my case, both. Yes, soy catalana. If you support the referendum for the Catalan society, will you actively campaign towards the no? Because you say you talk about patria, and my patria is the Catalan one, and I love Spain, as I love any country in the world. Pero mi patria es la catalana. Gracias y adelante, que lo está haciendo muy bien.
Regarding the second question, as you know, in Podemos we defend the right of Catalan people to decide and to decide about everything, not just about the national issue of independence. We think that the only possible way to discuss about this possibility is to open a constituent process in all the states, and I'm very clear with this. I support a referendum in Catalonia, in Països Catalans. We will have to define the area, but I think that in order to make any decision about the territorial situation in the Spanish state, we need to open a constituent process and to discuss about the right to decide about this issue and more issues. Regarding my opinion, in Podemos there are people that in that referendum will vote yes, will vote no, and will vote yes, no. So, because it's possible to have different opinions in Spain. In Podemos. If you ask me, I respect that many citizens in Catalonia, they feel themselves not Spaniards but Catalans. I respect that, but it's true that there are many citizens too that feel themselves Spaniards and Catalans, or Catalans and Spaniards. And my opinion is, I don't want that Catalonia could go away, but I think that the decision is a decision that should be made for the Catalan citizens in a constituent process. I think I've been very clear with this.
Bueno, pero so you are saying that the Spanish together they have to decide, not only the Catalans.
The problem is the possibility. Me and you, we can define the situation, and the only possibility to create different relations between the different nations in Spain. I think that Spain is a plurinational reality. I think that there are different nations in Spain, is to open a constituent process. And I don't believe, for instance, when Artur Mas said this is a problem between us and the Spanish government, I don't believe them, because I know very well what Artur Mas represents. When the problem is the money, they have just one nation, the money. And some of the elites of the Catalonia leadership are exactly the same that the members of the Partido Popular...
That's it, but you talk about Syriza, the coup, we have the coup, okay. So you can be...